and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you are all doing well out there in this YouTube world. So in today's video, I think I have found the easiest way to apply false lashes. Yeah, I think this is one of the easiest things I've found in order to apply false lashes. So before I actually show you how and what I use to do that, if you enjoy videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle content, please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below, and also please make sure you hit the notification bell, ding ding, and also make sure you hit the thumbs up. That will be awesome for my channel. So with all that being said, let's crack on with the video. So as I say, so for me, I find it really difficult to apply false lashes. I love the look of false lashes, but it causes me so much stress and angst trying to put the bloody things on. Now I've come across this product, and you may know of it, you may not, but it was new to me, which is something that's quite funny. Where's it gone? It's something that I've always kind of thought of in the past as to applying false lashes. So the issue I have with applying them, when I put the glue on the actual strip of the lash, it's that perfect time when it's tacky. You know, when it says on there, it says, oh, leave it for 3 seconds, 7 seconds, whatever seconds. I think every glue is different. So even if I found anyway, when I've left it for the time it said, it still isn't tacky enough, and then it moves all over the eye, and I'm just like, ah. So I found a Eylure. I will pop something here so you can see it in the box, because I do have the box here, but it's a little teared up because I filmed this previously and ripped into the box. I didn't think ahead, didn't think future. So I will leave you a clip of what the box actually looks like. So this is by the company Eylure London, and it's their Line and Lash 2-in-1 lash adhesive eyeliner. Used with any false lash. It's a smooth application, all day wear and secure hold. Now it comes in 2 colours. I think it comes in black and it comes in a clear, or I want to say white. I can't think it's white. I think it's a clear. And basically what you do with this, I will pop a clip here. So I hope this isn't the best quality, but this is as close as I could get. So basically all you do is you line your eye as if you're doing an eyeliner, and then you literally just stick it. It doesn't say on here either that there's a specific time that you need to wait. You just actually place the lash on and secure it in, and it sticks. Now what I will say, because I have used this a couple of times before doing this video, and just a few tips I will say. You need to make sure that you're working quickly with it, because I find if you're too slow, it doesn't stick as well, so you're having to go over it. So I would say that you need to kind of apply it pretty quick. And also when you're removing it, the glue stays on your eye. You have to use an oil base remover in order to remove it off your actual lash or off your eye. The first time I used it, it just didn't seem to be going anywhere, so I had to go in there with an oil, which I think it does say on here somewhere about removing it. I think it does say on here somewhere about removing it, but as I say, you just need to be careful. And also as well, I find that depending on how quick you use it, if you, again, like I say, if you don't use it quick enough, it doesn't stick very well, and it kind of tends to move. Now the lashes I have on at the moment are quite, I'll come a little bit closer if you can see, they're quite big lashes. Now to be fair, for someone who doesn't wear lashes, this isn't kind of the kind of lash that I would probably wear day to day. I kind of just put these on just because they're the closest ones to hand, and it was just easy for me to use these. But I've not even showed you I've waffled on, I'm so sorry guys. So this is literally, as I say, I've showed you the box, and then this is the actual pen. Let's see, come on focus, god damn you. Yeah, so that's the pen, and it literally is just a liner, and it goes on just like a liner, like so. And then you, like I say, it sticks really quick. So like now, there's like a slight, even with that, there's a slight tackiness to it, but literally that's how it comes. But I would say definitely now lash game is on. These ones I've got on, I don't feel like, I think they're too big and they're not very comfortable. I can feel them, I'm quite conscious that they're on, but again, I don't know if that's because I am not actually used to wearing lashes anyway, so you know, I can feel something on there. But yeah, so I would say this is definitely worth a try if you are unsure of how to apply lashes. You want to find the easiest way, you know, you struggle, you know, potentially like me. I know there's a lot of us out there that love the look, but just putting them on is a pain in the ass. But this has definitely changed the game for me, and this is something I will continue to purchase. So is there anything else I wanted to add? Price wise, I will put the price on screen. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will put the price on screen for you, let you know how much it is. And I think you can pick these up in any local drugstore. So like your Boots, you can get it on Amazon. I got this on Amazon, so you can get it on Amazon, you can get it in Boots, I'm sure you can get it in like Superdrug, and if you're in the UK, and I'm sure if you're in the States or any other country, you probably can pick it up in your local like chemist or, you know, beauty store. But it is definitely worth a try. And again, I don't know why someone did come out with it sooner. It's just so easy, so easy. But that is it from me. If you did make it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you did enjoy the video, or you enjoy videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle kind of content, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell, ding ding, and also please make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you've got any questions on the actual product or usage or how I found it, you know, I think it is trial and error a little bit. As you could see, I think when I used it the very first time putting on it was a little bit tricky. The second I was really easy to put on, and I just think the more that I do it and use them and putting lashes on, I think it will just get easier and easier, even more so than what it is already. But yeah, if you do have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.